Two letters make one sound. Two letters make one sound. TH. TH has two sounds. TH has two sounds. First, think. TH, think. THINK, think. THING, ing, ing. THIN, in. MYTH, myth. MYTH, th. Second is TH, the. THIS, the is, this. THAT, the, at, that. THOSE, the, O's, those. THEM, the, M, them. The is, this. The at, that. The O's, those. The M, them. SH has one sound. SH has only one sound. Sure. SH, sure. SHOP, shop. 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 SHED, shed. Shed. SHAVE, shave. Shave. SHAVE, shave. WASH, wash. DASH, dash. FISH, fish. FISH, fish. Wash, dash, fish. Shop, shed, shave. CH has three sounds. CH has three sounds. First one is k. As in school. SCHOOL. Here CH sound is k. School. CHEMIST. CHEMIST. Here CH is k. Chemist. Echo. ECHO. CH sound k. Echo. Second sound of CH is sh. As in chef. CHEF, chef. third sound is ch, as in chop, C-H-O-P, chop, chop, C-H-A-I-N, chain, chain, S-U-C-H, such, 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 M-U-C-H, much, M-A-C-H, much, R-I-C-H, rich, R-I-C-H, rich, W-H-I-C-H, w-itch, which, C-K, C-K says K. Sound of C-K is K. Only one sound. Only comes after a short vowel, as in pick, P-I-C-K, pick, P-I-C, pick, P-A-C-K-E-T, packet, L-O-C-K, C-K, K, L-O-K, lock, B-U-C-K-E-T, C-K is K, B-A-K-E-T, bucket, pick, packet, lock, bucket.